The high normative requirements of railway standards and fire protection apply to rolling stock components. Power supplies from the Quin 4 Plus product series are now qualified for these requirements. The Quin 4 Plus power supplies provide 24-volt DC from 110-volt DC or a single-phase supply. The qualification for rolling stock covers all relevant requirements for the rolling stock. The Quin 4 Plus series offers special features: the device coating, SIL 3 certification, integrated decoupling, and an extended temperature range. The general advantages of the Quin 4 product family include a powerful output side, longest service life, high EMC resistance. The following devices are available ex-works. You can find an overview of other converters and products for the railway industry online.